Alrighty, today's Monday, July 22nd, 2024, and I'm Jason Shapiro with Crowded Market Report. Making sense of today. We came in today and Joe Biden dropped out of the race yesterday and all the big political news. Did it mean anything? Didn't seem to. The stock market kind of did this. It tried to go nowhere overnight, went up early, down, up, down, and then finished strong. And they all did it. Today was not a day that you could call rotation, because every one of these markets did it. The Russell was the weakest of everything down here. And by the end of the day, was the strongest. So, we just have continued buying. Interesting that China had a surprise interest rate cut last night, which net is an addition of liquidity, to the global system. And as I've argued for a long time, I still think this is all about liquidity. I do think that the potential for news coming out of the election can cause some volatility. Although today it does look like Kamala Harris is getting the thing, so that takes some of the indecision out of there. Although I still don't think that it's a guarantee that Donald Trump's going to win at this point. But we're going to have to see. And the metals, tried to fall, came back. That's gold. Silver tried to fall, came back. Even copper fell a lot, came back quite a bit. Oh, and energies today, by the way, came back from a pretty big fall. Crude still closed down, but the other energies closed up quite a bit. Heating oil, unleaded gas. I don't know what it means. I'm just observing at this point. I still think it's liquidity driven. I think that the election stuff is getting in people's head, including mine. Another intraday thing today was the NASDAQ was leading the market the whole way today. So as we spoke about last night, if you were looking to do short-term trading, I think it's still good to short-term trade this NASDAQ lead. Would have had you long today. Clearly you would have had to trade it well, because it did give one big move down that would have scared just about anybody out, but it did lead that whole way down. So it's kind of doing that again. So markets are acting, I'd say, pretty normal if you just block out, the election news. All right. So those are my thoughts today, and we'll talk again tomorrow. Thank you.